Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The graphic pen filter transforms a photograph into a hand-drawn pen sketch. After converting the image to grayscale, an edge detector, commonly CANI, extracts the most significant outlines. These edges are then thinned using morphological opening, which removes spurious noise while preserving fine details. To simulate the natural tremor of a handheld pen, a slight jitter is added to each edge point, giving the strokes a subtle, imperfect quality. The jittered edges are rendered onto a clean white canvas with a configurable line thickness, producing the look of ink laid down by a drawing pen. For added depth, you can blend a faint color wash underneath, creating a sketch that feels both technical and artistic.